it seem like I be doing the most when really you be doing the most. Like, it's how you come to me. Your presentation, it's just gotta be a little more simple. Doing the most but not doing the most? What you mean you don't get what I mean? You're not understanding. Okay, let me try to explain. Alright. Nah, like, I really be trying. I be messing with you tough. Give me the benefit of the doubt. You say I be doing the most, you be doing the most. No, really, you be having me do the most. I have to try harder and do a lot of steps. Like, it shouldn't take all of this. It should be simple, quick. Don't you like it quick? I'ma just find something better. That's what I'ma do. Because ain't no better than this. Alright, you watch. Make sure you follow me on Instagram then so you can see when I find something better. Watch, you gonna see. Yeah, alright. Okay, and bye. It's the new breathable and invisible fabric for our fake scalp now. Invisi-Scalp wig, okay? Hey y'all, it's allofdestiny, and in this video, I will be sharing with you all how I got my hair like this, start to finish, using no glue, no gel, no tape, not even a wig cap, no stocking cap method, none of that. Glueless, the ultimate glueless install. When you still want your wig to be laid and slayed, but you still want to be able to come home at the end of the night, at the end of the day, and do this. I got you, okay? So this video is sponsored by Hairvivi. All the details about this wig will be in my description box down below, so definitely be sure to check that out. Let's go ahead and get right into this slay, okay? Testing. Have not sat down to film me doing a wig in a long time. I think the last I wore a wig was February. It's June. No, it's not. July? June? I don't even know. Wretched Destiny says hi, by the way. I don't know if I can still lay wigs, sis. Who am I kidding? I do this. Let me not. Not new to my channel, y'all know I always worked with Hairvivi. I kind of took like a wig break. If y'all wonder, Destiny has been having her natural hair all the way out, giving natural hair vibes. I got half of the packaging in the back because y'all know people like to steal wig videos. Hairvivi, sis. This is what we have inside. The length on this wig is 12 inches. The cap size is medium, and I have the cappuccino colored fake scalp. Do y'all see that? The knots on this wig are already bleached, and the wig is already pre-plucked, so boom, let's work for us. The strap slider maximizes the adjusting range now so that you can actually adjust it to your comfort level. The extra comb in the back for added security, as well as the adjustable straps. I'm just going to move those inward to secure the wig even more snug. And this is one of Hairvivi's new Invisi-Scalp wigs. So there's only one layer in the new wigs compared to the old ones where it had 2 layers. It's invisible, breathable. We don't even need to do the stocking cap method. What more can we ask for? I am excited to put this wig on, y'all. I have not worn a wig in a long time. A good little minute. I don't know, I just been having my hair out. I love the length on this wig. It's very much giving grown woman vibes. New hair. Who this, okay? I ain't gonna lie, I've been watching a lot of my old wig videos just because I needed a refresher on how we even do this, how we make it lay, how we make it slay, okay? My little brother was saying the same thing to me too. He's like, yo, new videos, they good, they just don't really be hitting like the old ones. I was watching a lot of my 2019 content and I was like, who is she? Like, has the new breathable and invisible fabric for our fake scalp now. Invisi-Scalp wig, okay? It's breathable, invisible, durable, and free of charge. We like free stuff, okay? This one, the invisible one, is supposed to be thin and transparent. Fabric perfectly matches with the skin and no demarcation line. Kind of like how I did my makeup with my scarf on so that I wouldn't even get too close to the hairline. That way I won't have to take alcohol and wipe off the makeup. I could just not even have makeup right here in the first place. And saving product, okay? New colors, they got cappuccino, mocha, honey, fits most skin tones. So this is the regular wig cap fabric in dark brown. This is that, right? Wig companies are known for sending you wig caps to go with your wigs. They didn't send one this time because of the new Invisi-Scalp. I'm supposed to not need that. I didn't braid my hair down with ponytail. I plaited it up since my puffs be kind of thick. It's when my nails are done, I can't really braid. Anyway, if you would need this color or this color, but we didn't get a wig cap this time because we're supposed to not even need one. They have the new fabric scalp, so let's do y'all miss wearing wigs. Oh, this is thin. Ooh. Okay, nice and smooth. Comparing these two is a little more thick. Make sure you can see the lace. I'm out with the crew. I may not need any foundation, concealer, none of that. We're gonna see if I can put this wig on straight out of the box. No wig cap? What? Okay, Hairvivi, these some strong claims. And I was watching one of my old videos and I'm sitting there saying, oh, I'm so proud of myself. I've been filming every day this week. And I was like, who is she? Who is she? Filming every day. I'm just getting really close to the hairline and cutting this. Oops, look at me. Oh, snaps. No, the shade. Oh, I just noticed there aren't any combs in the front anymore. It's been a minute since she wore a wig, girl. We only got one comb in the back. Okay, upgrades. Hairvivi, I see you. Try to use that to hold my little ponytails a little more down. If you just must put your wig on without braiding your hair down. Take the comb that's under here. Make sure it's in the center. Just tuck that underneath. Then, ooh. Oh, let me not get too excited too soon. Hold on. Okay, let's tighten this some more. When I've been posting videos lately, y'all be like, where you been? And I guess because I know that I'm on social media every day, that I just be like, where have I been? Like, oh, this is cute. This giving just what I thought it was gonna give. Wrong with me vibes, okay? If you're only following me here on YouTube and you're not on social media, I guess I can get where that statement would come from, but I'd be like, where I be at? Because I think I'd be uploading a lot. If you watch my vlogs, and I think y'all heard me talking about my break, the pause in respect to Black Lives Matter, I didn't post any videos. Like, if you're here for all of my videos, I'm like, they know I don't be taking breaks. Like, what's really good? Like, why y'all think I've been somewhere? Quit playing. Quick and easy, sis. A little comb and brush that we'll be using, and some clips. Oh, I like these kind of clips. Okay. The little moment of me not uploading in respect to Black Lives Matter, I didn't want to post videos because I was just like basically paying respect. We already discussed that though in a vlog, so just know we about to be dropping videos like y'all know my personality changed when I put a wig on. Hairvivi always come through. Don't get it twisted. Don't ever get it twisted. I don't want to glue this down. No stocking cap method. No, none of that. Because I thought somebody who had time said something with my new fancy clips. Hold on. And I know y'all didn't see me pick up tweezers. Am I with the crew? So I'm going to take some of the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse just to do the edges. That's all I feel like doing. I like to be able to take my wigs off at night. We can do that. What are we giving the girls? Oh my God. 100. Ooh. That's just what I do. Make sure you can see no lace. Yes, ma'am. If I was gluing it down, I would have a better chance of hiding that part. That's fine with me, honestly. Am I with the crew? What I'm doing here, basically, I'm going to pull the hair forward and put the foaming mousse on there. I'm going to tie it down while I cut it off just for a quick second. That will help to sort of lay the lace within my skin, but this isn't gluing it down. It's just helping to mold it to the shape of my forehead to really help it to lay. And you can let this sit longer, which I'm going to do once we finish perfecting the baby hair. You don't even have to do baby hair with this if you don't want to. It's definitely preference. Tie down the front portion, and this will help to hold the, oops, I was watching my old video on how I do my glueless little method. There aren't too many shipping kinks in this. I don't think I have to flat iron it too much either. How much straight out of the box activity we got going on. I'll let that sit for about 5 minutes, guys, and then I'll be right back. I went ahead and turned the lights down just one tab. Ooh, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Stop messing up your makeup. Oh, baby. Baby boy. Oh, hold on, Hairvivi. Hold up a minute, baby. Like, because I'm not gluing it down. So this is how we gonna finesse. Finesse one time, finesse 2 times. We're just gonna comb it like that. I like the little lifty look right here. So we're gonna give the girls a little bit of that. Oh, my goodness. I had someone tell me I fell off. Ooh, I needed that. Oh, baby. Yes, Hairvivi coming through. Y'all didn't see me touch no powder, no tweezers, no got to be, no freeze spray, no wig cap, no, like, what are we giving the girls? Very much make sure you can't see no lace. My wig secure like the money in the bank. Is that what they said? Money in the safe, money in the bank. Listen, listen, a whole lot of everything, a whole lot of gas. This is Wretched Destiny's first wig tutorial. How about that? All of Destiny could never, baby. Like, look at this length. Grown woman vibes. I mean, we like our inches too. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. But this here, oh, you also didn't see me touch a flat iron. We like a wig that we can put on straight out of the box. It looks shiny right here because of the lights, but don't get that twisted either. Y'all didn't see me put no powder in the part. No, none of that. This new, what they call it, Invisi-Scalp. Hairvivi. Yes. Get me together. We're going to Instagram today. ᶫᵒᵛᵉᵧ stopping who? ᶫᵒᵛ ain't saying nothing. Nothing over here. Girl, oh. With the soft pink, if y'all like the plain tee, check the men's section at Walmart. Y'all know the plain tees at Walmart cheaper than the plain tees in the women's section. Walmart. I'm gonna link it down below if I can, but this soft pink is giving me, we need plain tees like this for filming. Effortless cute days where you just put in your earrings and some jewelry. Grown woman vibes. Like, I'm sorry to the headphone users, my bad. Hold on, for the most important part, our favorite part, when you lay this, look cute for the day. Did she snug? Snug, okay? But when I'm done with whatever I have to do today and I get back home to chill on my couch and watch The Walking Dead or do nothing, we very much giving, okay? Hold on. Ready to go vibes. Just gotta touch this back up, but you know, that's because I didn't let it dry all the way. When you let this dry, that little swoop is gonna be set right there forever. Also, before I forget to mention, I do have a coupon code if you all want to get this wig to save $10 on your purchase. Use the coupon code DESTINY so that you can slay too. Period, okay? Ooh. Oh, hold on, flip over. Yes, flip over. Oh yes, looks. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I definitely can't even fake it and stretch it out longer than that. That's all that it took for me to get this look. You can definitely do more with the edges if you want to go all out with them. I'm just going to keep it like this. That way I can just, you know, take this off and call it a night. I'm really liking the new Invisi-Scalp method. My hair's in a ponytail underneath. Normally I would need a wig cap on to make sure. We lit over here. No wig cap and it's still laid like this. Like what braids? Because I thought somebody with some wig braids said something. Special thank you to Hairvivi for sponsoring this video. All of the details about this wig will be in my description box down below. And as always, I thank you all so much for watching. This length is perfect for summer. Like, end of the day, I just finished filming 2 YouTube videos today. 2. Realistically, this is how I'm living. I'm about to take this off, wash off my makeup, and call it a night. Glueless, okay? Look.